guys. Pine-prepare na po nila ang bawat balloons para sa aming anniversary mamaya for celebration after worship namin, guys. Ayan po.
I like English. I don't know.
Habang nag-iintay po kami ng time, andito po kami sama-sama kaming nag-aayos. Ayan ang magaganda ko pong kapatiran. Ito po ang pinakamaganda sa lahat.
Nakamatanda?
Ayan, guys.
Very good, very good. Yeah, I think I really received a lot of grace.
At meron kaming special song mamaya for worship. Ayan po.
Minuto is, her minuto is fine. Ano po? No,